Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your diesel engine is throwing a P0675 code, don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, we'll break down what the P0675 code means, what causes it, and how to fix it. Let's jump right in. P0675 is a diagnostic trouble code that stands for Glow Plug Circuit 5 Malfunction. This means the Engine Control Module, or ECM, has detected a problem in the glow plug circuit for cylinder number 5. In diesel engines, glow plugs help heat the air in the cylinders so the engine can start, especially in cold weather. If one isn't working right, like in this case, the engine might struggle to start or run rough when cold. Now, some common cause with fix of P0675 code. Number 1. Faulty glow plug. The glow plug itself may be burned out or not functioning correctly. Test and replace the glow plug. Use a multimeter to test resistance. If out of spec, replace the glow plug. Number 2. Shorted wiring. Damaged or corroded wires can break the connection or cause shorts. Inspect and repair wiring connectors. Check for breaks, shorts or corrosion in the wiring harness and connectors going to the number 5 glow plug. Number 3. Bad glow plug control module. The control unit responsible for managing glow plug operation may have failed. Test and replace the glow plug control module if needed. If multiple glow plug codes are present, the control module might be at fault. Number 4. Poor electrical connections. Corroded or loose connectors can interrupt the flow of electricity to the glow plug. Clean or secure electrical connections. Disconnect and clean any corroded terminals. Ensure all connections are tight. Number 5. ECM, Engine Control Module Malfunction. The ECM may not be sending the correct signal to the glow plug circuit. Reprogram or replace ECM. Only after ruling out all other causes have the ECM checked and possibly reprogrammed or replaced. That's all for today. Subscribe to our channel and thanks for watching.